Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this time for tuning into my 2,970th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. How are you, kids? Just wanted to share a video with you because tomorrow is Fed Day, Fed Decision Day, no less. And the OMNI has a rule set, and one of the rules is this: no trading on Fed Decision Day. Don't do it. Let the markets do whatever they're going to do. We'll come back on Thursday and approach the markets like professionals. There's no need to be in there on a highly anticipated Fed move. Who knows what the funds are going to do? Your stops will not be big enough. We do not trade on Fed Decision Day. However, look at how great this market looks. I mean, look at this NASDAQ. It just looks fantastic all the way up. I can't imagine the Fed lowering rates is going to hurt it, but we're going to sit this one out tomorrow and we'll pick things up on Thursday. Traders, just remember that. Please subscribe to these videos. Please leave your comments below. I will answer all of them, as I always do personally. And subscribe to these YouTube videos and put them out there. Share them. Like them, help me to help more people out there. The only way I can help more people out there is if you help me by sharing these videos. Please do. Please leave your comments. Much appreciated by me. All right, traders, that's all I'm going to give you for now. Tomorrow night, I'll get out in front of the camera and we'll get out and we'll do a bunch of charts. We'll see what the Fed did and where it should lead to. However, you've got my video from over the weekend, my webinar, which does explain a lot of what we're expecting. We'll take it one day at a time. No trading on Fed Decision Day. Make that your rule too. You'll live a lot longer in this business if you do not trade on Fed Decision Days. Traders, that's about it. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. That is the truth. Put your stops in first. Keep your emotions out because we know this is a risky business. You'll live a lot longer by doing these things that we discussed. Don't trade on Fed days. Put your stops in first. Thanks for tuning in. We'll do this again tomorrow night. Have a great day trading, OMNIX.